This week I've decided, as my Canva tip, I'm going to share a feature that I love within Canva, and I'm going to combine it with a cause that's close to my heart. I'm Debbie Ringwood. I'm a Canva certified community trainer. I'm founder of The Marketing Shop, and I'm also a breast cancer survivor. So as we're now into Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I decided to create something on Canva that would have been really useful to me in the early stages of my recovery. It's a really simple motivational app, and I've called it Pink Strength. There's no step targets, no pressure, just gentle motivation to remind you that every small step matters, even just getting out of bed. You can check out the live version of this on the caption that accompanies this video. Bear in mind, this isn't a commercial venture though. I am going to show you how you can create something similar for any area of your life really quickly within Canva. From your main dashboard, select Canva AI and then choose Code for Me. Pop your prompt in here and hit Submit. Canva AI will start to do the work immediately. My screen is split in two. On the left, I can have a conversation. On the right, it's showing me the code that's being generated. If I want to go back in and adjust something, I can go into the text on the left-hand side, down to the text box, bottom left, and I can say, change the color of the font, use a different type of font, use a different icon for my logo, whatever it might be that's relevant. And of course, I can put all that into the original prompt as well. But I wanted to show how easily we can start this off without thinking too deeply. So it takes about 90 seconds to generate the code. And as you can see, it's working away there on the side. I'll leave it running so that you can see in real time how quickly this happens. We're almost there. There we go. On the left-hand side, the conversation is continuing. And on the right, you can see version 1 of my app. I can go back in and change anything that I want. And in this case, it's given me a few different tabs that I can select. But I'm just going to go with version 1. I'm not going to correct anything. I'm going to go for this option top right here to use it in a design. So select use in a design and website. At this point, I can preview what it looks like. So there's preview. And scroll down, have a little look at it there. And there is the mobile version of it also. If I was happy, I can hit publish website, follow the prompts and go live with it. I'm going to show you one that I've already created and finalized. This is Pink Strength. This took me about 35 minutes from start to finish because I went back in and changed a few things. But I have 3 different tabs. I've got my daily inspiration. And when I refresh that, I will get different prompts and different tips. I have gentle guidance, just those kind of reminders that although we're told by the professionals that, you know, this is important or you need to do that, sometimes we just need a reminder also. So again, this is packed with different tips, and when I refresh it, you'll get more tips there also. And then my activities. I didn't want to put pressure on myself at any point in my recovery. So I felt somewhere that I could actually log what I've done, no matter how big or small it seems to be, that it matters. So what did I do today? I can select that I spend time on a gentle walk. And I walked to the park. I can celebrate this moment. And you can see that it's actually keeping track of what I've done so far. I've logged all of those. Now, this isn't a commercial venture, so I've kept it as simple as possible. But I did ask Canva AI to store this information locally. So if I come back to this device and want to add some more activities, it'll continue in this place. If I do it separately on my phone, the same thing will happen. So this is something that I would have used myself. I'm sure every single one of us can find that situation where we think, you know, it'd be perfect to have that solution. And I'm showing you that with Canva, you can create whatever you can think of. So this is Pink Strength. It isn't a commercial venture. It's there if anybody wants to use it though. And I'm Debbie. If you want to have a chat about Canva, or indeed, if you're on this journey with breast cancer also, I'm happy to have a chat at any point. Pop me a message and we can arrange a call.